Hey, what's going on, Half Mil Rebuilds? We back with another video. This is the last video of the M37x, and today we're gonna assemble everything. Today the headlight came in. I got the headlight for a good price. In today's video we're gonna be putting this whole car together and basically making sure it's ready for the road and all the fenders line up and stuff like that. That's what we're gonna be doing. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers in this channel. We basically rebuild cars and we also do Copart workarounds. So this is the car that's gonna be on the channel today. And this is what we have. We have this headlight here that we just picked up from a Texas junkyard for $475. It's not in bad shape. The clips is there and everything like that. I guess it wasn't off a crash. I mean, it probably was crashed, but not on this side. So it's just some discoloration right here in the lens, but probably could be polished out. So that headlight is in good shape, and we're gonna mount it on today. Also, what came in the mail was this piece right here, because this had broke. So I had purchased this piece used, and we're gonna change that, mount the headlight on, transfer all the clips from the brackets from the old fenders and put them on here, and get these fenders on and get the bumper on and the headlights lined up. So that's what we're gonna be doing now. So I have to remove that because hey, what's going on, my YouTube people? We just finished the right fender. I still have to fasten a little bit and make sure that it lines up correctly. I have put a new one of these on also, but it's looking good so far. As you can see, it's a little tight right there. I'm gonna straighten that out and get it perfect. Headlight is installed. Now we're moving on to this side. I taped up the door so I won't scratch it up. So now we're moving on to this side and we're gonna get into it. So let's go. That is one good. So you need to help your hand because you can't hold these fenders in place. So we just completed this side of the fender. As you can see, it looks perfect, lines up perfect. Now I just gotta make sure it lines up perfect with the hood and stuff like that. Close it. Hey, what's going on, you guys? So we up to the last step, the final step, the bumper. There's a few more things that I have to tighten up, like the splash guards under the wheels and stuff like that. But this is it so far with the fenders on, and I'm getting to the bumper now, and I'm gonna be able to put the bumper together. I have to fix that over there, but working on it. So we're going from there. Still not clipping because the part that I bought that was used off eBay, it ended up having like a broke little piece of the plastic that they didn't notice from the junkyard. So I'm just gonna have to probably order one new that holds this up. I'm gonna show you guys. So I'm gonna have to order one new that holds this side up because it's a piece that's broken right there. So I'm gonna get to ordering that. And I'm gonna get to screwing the bottom pieces in and screwing the sides of the bumper in. And let me put this back also. So give me 1 second. Hey, what's going on, y'all? So we finally put the bumper on. Bumper's on, it looks good. It's just a little dirty. I'm gonna give it a wash. This right here, I'm waiting on a piece. I gotta order the piece for that, but it looks good. Looks good. Now let's go give it a wash. Gotta fix that rim, sand it down and paint it over. Peace, you guys. I'll see you guys on the next episode of Half Mil Rebuilds. We finished so far.